Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best turntables that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Audio-Technica LP120 XUS BBK Direct-Drive Turntable. The LP120 is the most iconic entry-level turntable for a few reasons. It sounds great, the build is extremely durable, and it can be easily upgraded with fancier components down the road. I like this USB-enabled model because it allows you to plug the device directly into your computer so you can rip your records to MP3 files. Great for preserving the playing condition of rarer vinyl finds while still getting to enjoy the music. It also comes with a built-in phono preamp. This is a necessary component that raises the output signal of a record player so it can be listened to on a modern stereo system, a pair of powered speakers, or a set of headphones. Vintage stereo systems from the 1970s and 80s often came with phono amps on board, but that feature is rarely found on modern-day audio equipment like digital stereo systems and smart speakers. So the inclusion of a preamp here makes the record player compatible with the majority of stereos from every era right out of the box. Just plug it into anything with standard RCA red and white inputs or a USB port, and you're good to go. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Fluance RT81 Plus Elite High Fidelity Vinyl Turntable Record Player. The Fluance RT81 Plus has everything you could want in a turntable at this price, and in a pretty faux wood package. I tested this table by swapping it with the similarly priced Pro-Ject Essential 3 in my living room mid-grade hi-fi system, a NADD 3020 amp and ELAC bookshelf speakers with a powered subwoofer. The Fluance was a noticeable upgrade all around. It has great clarity even in low frequencies. The Wild Wild West soundtrack was my reference material, and a pleasant warmth. That's due to well-chosen components and a solid design, including 3 rubber-covered isolation feet, a built-in preamp, stable hinges for lifting the dust cover, and gold-plated connections. It ships with the Audio-Technica VM95E cartridge, which sounds great but can be easily swapped for 5 others in the same line, 4 of which are upgrades. The counterweight and dropping mechanism works noticeably better than other turntables I've tested at this price. At number 3, we have the Audio-Technica ATLP60XBTBK fully automatic wireless belt drive turntable. If you plan to spin records only occasionally, or if money is tight, you'll like this affordable Audio-Technica turntable with Bluetooth. It easily pairs with your favorite Bluetooth speakers, which makes it great for setups where wires might be an issue. You can plug it into an actual stereo. It has a built-in phono preamp to get the best analog audio, as anything sent over Bluetooth has been digitally converted and may not sound its best. But even running wirelessly, the LP60 does the job for most people who are just, scratching the surface. At number 2, we have the Pro-Ject Debut Carbon EVO Audiophile Turntable. The Pro-Ject Debut Carbon EVO 9/10 wired recommends sounds magnificent. It may not have the bells and whistles of some of our other picks, but Pro-Ject instead opts for high-quality components arranged in the simplest configuration possible. That includes a carbon fiber tone arm, a custom thermoplastic elastomer damped metal platter, and a house-made cartridge that typically retails for $150 alone. Downsides: the platter doesn't automatically stop spinning when the needle reaches the end of a record's side, so you'll have to stand up, walk over, and return the tone arm to its cradle a couple of times an hour. You'll also have to buy an external phono preamp, I like this one, or connect it to a stereo equipped with a phono input since it doesn't come with a built-in preamp. It's worth noting that there's a slightly newer model, the debut Evo 2, though we haven't tested it yet. And finally, at number 1, we have the UTurn Audio Orbit Plus Gen 2 Turntable. The clear, acrylic platters and bright colors of UTurn's Orbit Plus make it easy to match them to your decor, and the unit also showcases great sound, sleek design, and a relatively affordable price. I like the way the Orbit Plus has you change speeds between 33 and 45 revolutions per minute, something you do when switching between larger, long-playing records and smaller, single-song records. You physically move the belt that spins the platter, lifting it from one rung of the motor to the other. It's like switching from the larger gear to the smaller gear on your bicycle's front chainring. Plus, it looks really cool to have an exposed belt spinning your tunes. There's no phono preamp on this one by default, so you'll need to add one directly on UTurn's site, an $80 upgrade. Hook it up to a vintage and/or high-end stereo, or buy an external preamp. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.